There is an adage that says, beheading the head is never the solution to headache. But this video is not about headache. Rather, it is about the negative effects of keeping the laptop on your laps, which affects women's fertility. In our previous clinic series on the effect of keeping the laptop on the laps, which affect the fertility of a man, we received comments asking why I didn't mention anything about its effects on women. So let's get into it. But firstly, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone for your recent engagement and support on our last video. It is really appreciated, and kindly do well to share this message as well. So to answer your question, yes, keeping laptop on your lap or close to your tummy as a woman can affect your fertility. I would like to remind you that the amount of heat emitted from your laptop or mobile device are not gender-based. So just like the men's testes can get fried, in the same vein, the ovaries can get cooked. You see, studies have shown that exposure to extreme temperature like that of a laptop can decrease human fertility by accelerating how fast your ovaries grow old. The temperature of the ovaries for optimal performance is from 35.5 to around 36.6 degrees Celsius, which rises to about 37.2 degrees Celsius during ovulation. Now imagine constantly exposing your two to a temperature that is above 70 degrees Celsius. What do you think will happen? It will affect the quality of the eggs produced or released from your ovaries. This information is not an attack on your laptop, but to educate you on the right way to use and place your laptop and mobile devices. Therefore, as a man or woman, learn to keep your laptop or mobile phone away from your laps. Let he who has ears listen to what Dr. Case is telling the people. You're real.
You're gonna be okay.